So what's going on, guys? Thomas here from Napoleon Bassmasters today, and I was just out here drilling some holes. I wasn't going to start recording until I found some fish, but first job down in this new hole, I threw a little Swedish pimple down there, and this huge freaking bluegill just destroyed it. Like, this is, compared to my hand, this thing is just huge. I'm going to get a drop release down there for you guys. Put down there. If you guys can't see already, I picked up a Vex, so yeah, I'm pretty hyped about that. This is what's helping me find these fish, and there's still some marks down there, so I'm gonna get right back down there with this little pimple. My main goal today with this pimple is just to try to catch a bass, so that's really all I'm trying to locate here. There's just a huge mark right there. Might have to throw a little tungsten jig down there to get him to bite this. Yep, I'm gonna grab my other rod, St. Croix. I already have it tipped because I was trying to find some fish earlier. Oh, stay over here, man. All right, let's get down on there. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, this is a nice fish, guys. I think this is just a little bluegill, but not a little one. This is a nice bluegill. Ooh, nice. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass. It's a bass. First bass through the ice. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes. My first bass ever through the ice, guys. That is freaking awesome. Just a little guy, but still. My first bass ever through the ice. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna get a release for you guys. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Wasn't taking the Swedish pimple. Look, there's still some marks down there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's still some marks all right here. So I'm gonna get right back down there with this little freaking jig. See if I can do anything. And right now, guys, this ice is a mess. It warmed up quite a bit, so all the snow kind of melted on top, but there's still quite a bit of ice here. It's crazy, guys. So like, I really brought this Swedish pimple out to catch some bass. I throw a Swedish pimple down there, I catch a huge bluegill, and then I threw that Swedish pimple back down there because I saw a mark, wasn't getting him, so I threw another jig back. So I threw the jig back down there, and then you just smashed the jig. Oh, those marks or what? The heck? Yep, there's a fish. Another fish right there. Get the juicer out. Guys, out of nowhere, tons of marks just showed up. Another huge bluegill. Wow. This is just freaking fantastic, guys. Another huge bluegill. But I'm gonna get right back down there, guys, because there's, out of nowhere, tons of marks just showed up on my screen. Huge bluegill right there. Let's go. Release. Let's get back down there. All right, drop back down. Another mark. Dude, guys, there's tons of marks down here. There's a bite. Come on, come on. Come on, he's on it. There you go. There's another one. Woohoo! Guys, this is freaking awesome. I think this might be a bass. Now, oh my God! Oh no, it came off. Holy crap, I don't know if you guys saw that freaking bluegill. Holy smokes. That thing was freaking ginormous. Holy crap, that thing was huge. I tried reaching back down there through the hole to get him, but I couldn't. And there's still tons of marks on my screen right now. I'm gonna drop back down there. There's a fish. Oh, this is a nice fish, guys. I don't know what it is, but it feels pretty nice. Oh my gosh! What in the hell? I'm gonna try to get a release down there for you guys. Boom. My freaking pants are so fishy. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this back down there. Put the deucer back in the hole. Still marking fish down there. Yep, there's one coming up right now. There's a fish. Dude, this is freaking awesome. Oh, this is so freaking cool. This is so awesome. Oh my God, this is sick. Yeah, guys, so after I recorded that last video of my 2019 ice fishing setup, I went out to Fort Wayne with my uncle, and we run around that area. We run around the Angola area, fish some lakes, and I brought my GoPro. I was gonna record like a 2 or 3 part episode. Couldn't even freaking get on any fish. Like yesterday, we went out. We went to 3 lakes, and we didn't mark any fish until the last lake. And at the last lake, we only had 1 bite. I don't know. We tried, like, we couldn't get him to budge at all. We'd get him up to our bait. We'd have him we'd rise our pole up and like jig a little bit, and we'd have him follow us all the way up to about 10 foot or even more, and like they still wouldn't budge or anything. So that really sucked. So I'm out here today trying to make a video. So far it's going really well. I haven't been marking any fish here in a second, so might make a move. Give it a little bit more though, because this spot's just been fire. God, this thing is so awesome, guys. You have no idea. I love this thing so much. This year, getting into ice fishing was probably one of the best decisions I've ever made. I mean, except for going to college. But there's a fish. Fish on. Get the deuce out of the hole. As soon as I said I wasn't marking any fish, I ended up oh my gosh, another slab. Another just slab of a freaking bluegill. Guys, these are ridiculous. I'm gonna have to come and keep these one day and do a catch and cook for you guys, because this is just ridiculous. Just look at the size of these bluegill, guys. Just, oh, man, these are awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Get released for you guys there. Boom. And I'm gonna get right back down there. Now I'll show you guys what I mean by marking these fish. So right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, we're dealing with about the bottom about right here. So about 16 and a half foot. All these right here, from what I understand, these are marks right here. Because I'll drop down and I'll bring it up and they'll just follow it. Like I'll drop all the way down to the bottom, and then I'll start jigging it up to about here, and then those will just start following my bait up. So that's what I'm thinking right now. These aren't marks. I think this is just from the ice, from like the top of the ice, but to my knowledge, these are marks right here. I'm gonna get a new jig on, and I'm gonna get going. Not a new jig, a new waxy. I want to catch some more bass, but I'm perfectly fine with catching these slabs of bluegills. Like, these are ridiculous. Alright, so I'm almost down there, all the way down. Now this is what I did last time. I literally went to the bottom and started jigging it up. Really let past those marks, and it literally just followed me. There's another one right there, actually. Yeah, guys, so I was out here fishing, and some dude kicked me off. Cop came up and kicked me off the ice. I think someone might have called the cops on me. So that sucks. I'm on my way home now, so he's trying to tell me that the ice was really thin. Told him there was still about 6-7 inches. But there were spots in the ice, like little holes, but that was from me and Jimmy, when we came out and fished here before. I mean, he wasn't a douchebag. He was really cool, so that's all right. He just told me that he didn't want me out there because he didn't think it was safe, and I respected that. But yeah, so I guess that's gonna be all for the video today, guys. Hope you have a good day. I mean, kind of got cut short, even though I was killing them out there. So screw you to whoever freaking called the cops on me out here. I come here all the time. Nobody calls the cops on me. So see you guys later.